China, the world's leading silk producer, generates over 1 billion tons of silk annually, accounting for 70% of the global output. This leadership in silk production is sustained by the dedication of Chinese farmers who meticulously raise billions of silkworms each year. Silk, a precious material with diverse applications in both daily life and industry, owes its excellence to the meticulous process of silkworm rearing and advanced silk production techniques. In this exploration, we'll dive into the intricate process of silkworm farming in China, from traditional methods to the application of modern technologies. The caterpillars, despite their initial intimidating appearance, treasure troves of valuable silk. Careful selection of caterpillars is crucial to ensure the quality of the eggs and the health of their offspring. Farmers collect these eggs and place them in specialized incubation environments. As the young caterpillars, or larvae, enter a rapid growth phase, they are continuously fed fresh, finely chopped mulberry leaves, their primary food source. Farmers also use lime powder to disinfect the breeding area and maintain the appropriate pH level, ensuring a clean and safe environment for the silkworms. This meticulous care allows the silkworms to grow healthily and produce high-quality silk. The feeding process, primarily manual, has been optimized with innovative devices developed by creative Chinese farmers. The adoption of modern technology in silkworm farming has reinforced China's leading position in the silk industry, meeting growing market demands while enhancing production quality and efficiency. In their final growth stage, silkworms are provided with square wooden frames to create cocoons. Each farm can harvest millions of cocoons each season. Before these cocoons can be processed into industry-grade silk, they undergo a rigorous screening process to remove inferior quality cocoons. This task, requiring manual labor, ensures only the best cocoons are selected. Silk companies in China purchase these high-quality cocoons at attractive prices, providing farmers with significant additional income. In processing plants, conveyor belts transport the cocoons to the screening section where they are sorted and introduced into a boiling line. Boiling not only separates the silk fibers but also kills bacteria and removes impurities. The softened cocoons are then fed through reeling machines, where the silk thread from each cocoon is drawn out and wound into continuous strands. Multiple cocoons are combined to ensure the threads are long and strong. While machines increase efficiency and uniformity, the skilled hands of farmers add finesse and quality to more complex silk threads. The silk yarn is then crafted into smooth, consistent fabric for clothing, embroidery, and various handicrafts. The production of silk quilts, a significant aspect of Chinese silk tradition, involves processing silk fibers into soft, durable linings that are inspected for quality to ensure their excellence. Stable source of income, silkworm farming is an important source of income for many rural households, improving living standards and reducing poverty. High-quality products, silk is a valuable raw material used in various industries, including fashion, textiles, healthcare, and cosmetics. Silk products have high value and are favored in global markets. Local economic development, silkworm farming and silk production help develop the economy in rural areas, creating jobs and boosting the growth of related industries. Environmental protection, the process of raising silkworms and producing silk is more environmentally friendly compared to many industrial productions. Silkworms feed on mulberry leaves, promoting the maintenance and growth of mulberry trees while reducing the use of chemicals and pesticides. Cultural and traditional preservation, silkworm farming for silk production is an important part of the culture and tradition in many countries, especially in Asia. Maintaining and developing this industry helps preserve traditional cultural values and long-standing handicraft techniques. Wide applications, silk has various applications, not only in the fashion industry but also in medicine, as surgical sutures, cosmetics, and handicrafts, creating many valuable and diverse products. Export value, silk and silk products have high export value, contributing to national economic growth and enhancing international trade. Improved quality of life. With silk products such as clothing, blankets, and pillows, consumers have the opportunity to use high-end, comfortable, and skin-friendly products. These benefits demonstrate that silkworm farming for silk production not only brings economic advantages but also has cultural, social, and environmental value, contributing to sustainable development.